Rain's good for my flowers. I probably should have been watering these a little better than I have. That's a double delight. There's them dirty bastard beetle pests in there. Die, suckers. Enjoy your last meal. Squished. Squished delight. Eat my flowers, will ya? You'll be seeing the angels. Oh, look at all these dirty bastards. I hate these suckers, man. Hope I gave them a headache. Let's see if I caught anything. One measly fly. Apparently the wasps don't like bud. Even it's got some honey in it. Yeah, we got some one tomato plant on this side that's got some produce. That's a nice rose. More pestilence up here. Die, sucker. Nothing blooming back here. Oh wait, there is one way back there. I'm getting tangled up here in the dog leash. That's a beautiful light yellow rose. Nice shaped petals. And we got some bug blight on the leaves. Insects got to eat too, the dirty bastards. Oh, look what these bastards did to my... Look what that bastard did. I got a handful of crushed beetles. Hopefully they won't escape. They're wiggling around. And what you do when you wiggle, when they wiggle around, get yourself over by the concrete and you smash them down. Then you stomp them and grind them. All right, serves them right for being a pest in my place.